Hey guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned, I removed the center stand in my last video on the GS and decided I'm going to be using the PitBull. You know, I have had this stand for a while now. I use it on my Ducatis, hence the adapters are made for Ducati wheel. But I ordered the adapter for the GS, and so let me show you that it is an exact perfect fit that I will be installing on the PitBull in order for me to lift the bike to work on now that I don't have a center stand. So you see, perfect fit on this side and a perfect fit on this side. So now that we've checked that everything works, let's head on over to the stand, and I'm going to be removing this one. Pretty easy to do, and putting on this one. So all you got to do is just pop this open, pull that out, pull the spacer out. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand. And there you have it. That's off. There's a secondary one right here for a smaller hole, and for lack of a better term. And then I'm going to take this one off. All right, again, trying to do this one-handed. And there you have it. Put the spacer on and this pin, and boom, got myself a stand by PitBull to work on the bike. So let's go put it on. All right. So the only way you can lift it is on this side only, on the clutch side, because when you try to do it on this side, guys, the tire is so wide and this is so sunken in that there's not enough room without it hitting the actual bar right here. So you won't be able to do it on this side, on the exhaust side, but you are able to do it on the drive shaft side. So basically, here's how it would look. All right, so let's try it out. You stick this in here. It is a perfect fit. There you go. And then when you the moment you press, put a little bit of pressure on this. Here, I'm going to try and lower this. Stands the bike up, pull down, and that's it. And the bike is lifted. Sorry, I tried to do it as fast as possible for you guys on the video, but that's it. So you could use a stand on the drive shaft only, but it does the job. Props the bike up, able to spin freely. There you have it. So just wanted to show you guys what the option would look like if you do remove the center stand and still want a stand to lift the bike up. I use a PitBull. I already had it on hand for my Ducatis. I'm sure there's many options out there for you guys, but that's as easy as it gets. So thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Hit those like buttons, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Till next time, guys.